Let me show you how to make this crunchy, no egg, no milk marble cookies. So I begin by putting my butter in a mixing bowl. I added sugar to it. Then beat until it's soft and fluffy, like so. I went in with some vanilla extract. Mix. And then I went in with the flour. Remember, at this stage you don't overbeat. Just go in with the flour bit by bit, like this. Just mix it slowly, don't overbeat it. And I went in with my hand. When I mixed it, it became like breadcrumbs. I now shared it into 3. Remember, we are doing a marble cookies, so I shared it into 3 portions for the 3 different colors I'm going to be using, like so. This is cornstarch. I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I went in with my egg substitute. This is a mixture of water, baking powder and oil. I don't know how I missed out on that clip, so but that's basically it. That is what replaced our egg. Now this is the first portion. I added a red food color to it. I mixed it very well to make sure that the color is well combined, formed into a bowl. This one I added green food color, like so. You'll notice here that the green did not really come out because it's a homemade green food color. So what I did was to go in with small blue food coloring to help bring out the green very well. You can see that it's looking green now. Yeah, that's what I did. So after that, I took the one that has no color and rolled it out, and then I sliced it into smaller pieces like this, rolled them into a bowl and set it aside, like so. Next, I took the red one, rolled it out and also sliced it into smaller pieces like this. Then the next one is the green one. Remember, we are doing a marble cake. We have 3 different colors. So after that, I picked one of the plain one, the one without color, and pulled it out like this. Flattened it a little, like so. Please, if you're liking this video or if you like what you're seeing, do give it a thumbs up. And then I now put the red one also, followed by another plain one, like this. Just alternate the colors. It mustn't be perfectly placed. And I went on with the green one, like this. You roll, you put. You can see I'm trying as much as I cannot, but I don't want it to be perfect, because that is what gives that marble looking shape, or rather design. So having rolled it out like this, I now wrapped it in a clean film and then rolled again. You can see how the colors are looking. Yeah, it's already looking beautiful. Roll the other side like so. Make sure I get that perfect square shape. Then put it in the fridge for it to harden for some few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. This is it. I have the 3 of it. You can see how beautiful they are already looking. So I just place them on a tray and then put them in the fridge to set for some few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. This is it. I brought it out and started slicing it like this. You can see how beautiful it's looking already. This is beautiful. What do you think? I baked it in a very hot oven, and look at what we have. Our crunchy marble cookies is ready. No egg, no milk. Will you consider trying this? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next.